This is what I think. Okay? Your dreams, your business, it doesn't come from identifying you. It all comes down to this. Who made you? Who thinks you are special? The answer is God thinks you are special. God made you. God instilled the gifts and the abilities that are hidden inside of you already. Did you know that you are successful? It's what you believe is what you become. Keep watching. I'm Mindset Coach Lottie Silvers. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. I upload videos every day. Just let's connect. Let's help each other grow our channel so that we can get paid on YouTube. I'll talk to you later. There's links below. Take care, guys. Love you all. Be persistent, consistent, and let us grow together. Everybody's awesome, making great videos. And I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification so that way you will be notified when my fresh new videos come out. All right, take care, guys. Bye for now.